In this training, I'm going to model a classical column and the arc. So we have to go to the AutoCAD. Then I click to the Start Drawing. From the Insert menu, I click to the Attach from the reference file. Then I click to the classical column. Then I click to the OK. Then I bring it to the user interface. Then I click to the Enter. In this photo, I'm going to model one column number 1. Before that, I click to the Home menu. I'm going to the Layer Properties. I click to the New Layer. I create new layer. Then I click to the Color. Click to the color number 1. Then after that, we have to create a 3D layer with color number 3. Then bring the photo to the color and to the new layer, because we want to decrease the visibility. So click to the photo. From the adjust part, decrease the fade. Then change the layer to the 3D layer. Enter to the command line. Draw a line. Make sure the line continue the line footer. After that, move the column, erase the photo. For curvature, in the corner, enter the Fillet command in a command line. Then in a radius, enter the 0.06, 0.03 for this part also. And for this part, for continuity, in line we have to use joint. Then click to the 3D view. By rotate 3D, we can rotate in a 90 degree. Then by revolve command, we can get the 3D model. From this point to this point, we have to click that we have to show the section line. Then we enter 360. For column, we have a cube in the top and we have a cube in the bottom. So I have to draw a rectangle in the top. I mirror it. And for bottom also it's the same. We have to draw a rectangle. I'm doing a mirror. Then I click to the 3D home. I move the bottom section to the top. By the trim order, I erase the middle line, then I join two parts with together. By extrude command, we can get the extrusion in each rectangle. After that, we have to get the copy by the certain distance. After that, we have to draw a cross line. To find the middle point in each cube. After that, I'm drawing an arc with 3 points from the middle to the middle. Inter-rotate to 3D to rotate the arc. Find the first point and find the next point, second point, inter minus 90 degree to rotate the arc. Then get the copy for each column. Draw a rectangle again. on the top of each column. After that, for doing extrusion between each rectangle, we are using Loft command. I'm choosing first rectangle, then the second rectangle. We have to click enter, then choose the pass. Again, we have to draw a rectangle. Then I'm choosing Loft, choose the rectangle, choose the pass, draw a rectangle, and after that choose Loft again, choose rectangle and rectangle, choose a pass, and get the shape. From the visual style, choose the conceptual, click orbit, 3D orbit to see the complete model. If you want to merge or union each arc with together, from the solid editing, we are using union. And if we want to join all the parts, we are using group by highlighting all the model and click to the enter. Right now we have a one group. I hope that you enjoy from this modeling. Thank you very much for your attention.